bafuna ukucula njenga bafeel i-taste voice yo bayancanywa ba xa senilende kasi lapho bonke baphala ngawo
Utalanisiwa nvuka never easy lendlela iyanyuka benza ngathi bayanzuda kodwa mna ndiyayazi bayanfila kulo ayalu thina sifuna ayalu ayanfumaneki nje life unzima ndiyasipana bandibiza ngamagama benza ngathi abancanywa I'm the coolest kid in Gaslam. But just rap and the bonus for no fun and now. Cause I got the bigger moves, got the bigger moves. Ogwanya spana, go bandy as an ifunayo.
I'm a big deal coming up. There's a new kid in the block. Bangga batwell ang story sa